from non-existence to power and how to move through each one with structure, intention, and accountability. He's known for bringing discipline and logic into the chaos of the trades, blending real-world experiences with lessons inspired by systems and conditioned formulas. If you're stuck in your business, if you're spinning your wheels, Gilbert, my tocayo, is going to give you the blueprint to get out of it. So everybody, please give it up for Gilbert Rocha.
Muchachos, ¿cómo andamos? Eso, ¿cómo subieron los tacos? Sí, ya. Se va a enojar el depredador. Pues. Primero lo primero. What is your name, sir? Eric. Eric here is from the vibration department. And you guys... just like you. But it's bullshit what is happening right now, right? We're going to the factory business and taking guys away from us. My guys are afraid to go to Home Depot. That's podcast. Sorry, my Spanish. I've been waiting for this day 14 years. That PowerPoint presentation is to 2011. And I haven't really done much to it, but it's going to guide me so I can deliver you guys something that I know you're going to like and you guys need. Okay. Ya me tomaron la fotito, ya me veo más o menos decente. First impression. Always, first impression. We're Mexicans, but we have to look good. We have to look powerful. When you guys come to a fucking room, the people have to notice you. Notice your presence. Is that what you want to know? Yeah. Well, yeah, and my American friends plenty about us too, but me. Ok, ahí les da. Pues ahora comía el potito, ya estoy un chifa de calor y nada más por eso no me lo quitaba porque diría bastaba para la fotito. Y es de pausa. Fíjate, Neca. 40 years ago, 1985, exactly 40 years ago, I was with one of those guys from the corner. Pico La Brea was my corner. ¿Quién ha recogido gente de Pico La Brea? No? We were 100 of us. 100. No English, no money, no papers. Te va a contar. When I get a little excited, I'm very emotional. A veces la voy a llorar y no vayan a burlarse, cabrones, ¿eh? Ahí les va. Con todo, sal. ¿Por qué estoy aquí? Mi camarada. ¿Dónde está Diego? Diego is one of my subcontractors. 60 years old. He was in still high school, brother? Yeah, high school. Yeah. He's my electrician. Okay, I gotta do something first. Who has his business card? Okay. Everybody up. Get up. I'm gonna tell you something that I've been learning, something I've been using. Now, this is what I had when I was early starting to go to seminars. Okay? Seminar, to any place that you go, you have to have a business card. Why? Because you never know who is the guy to you that is gonna push your wheel fucking up. You never know it. You never know. Pressing time is now, right now. I don't want to think about fucking Mexico, tacos, viejas, la chingada. Right here, right now. What is the address right here? What is the address? ¿Sabemos dónde estamos? Ay, caído. Después para la migración sale down. Anyway, ya estuvo por la bicha en el It's an exercise, but have to be in present time. You guys have to be present time all the time. Why? Because this is how you're gonna communicate and you're gonna make it feel to your people, to your workers, to your clients. When you go and talk to somebody, you go into that door of that client, present time. ¿Por qué avatar? Problemas con la vieja, los problemas con el dinero, los problemas con los papás, los problemas con mi madres. Right there, the most important people is the one that is in front of you. We got that?